Okay, we have 1 plus 2 plus 3 equals 6. 6 divided by 6 is a whole number. 3 plus 4 plus 5 equals 12. 12 divided by 6 is a whole number. 7 plus 8 plus 9 equals 24. 24 divided by 6 is a whole number. 9 plus 10 plus 11 equals 30. And 30 divided by 6 is a whole number. I think whenever you add three consecutive whole numbers, then divide the result by 6, you get a whole number. Either explain why this is true or give an example of three consecutive whole numbers whose sum is not divisible by 6. Okay, so I'm going to look at the examples they chose. 1 plus 2 plus 3, 3 plus 4 plus 5, 7 plus 8 plus 9, 9 plus 10 plus 11. In all of these examples, they started with an odd number. The first number of the three consecutive numbers was odd: 1, 3, 7, and 9. Let's check three consecutive numbers that start with an even number. Maybe 4 plus 5 plus 6. That is 9. 9 plus 6 is 15. 15 divided by 6 is not a whole number. So this is not always true. So it says explain why this is true or give an example of three consecutive whole numbers whose sum is not divisible by 6. We found it. This is called a counter example. 4 plus 5 plus 6 is a counter example.